What's good, everyone? It's your girl, MsLeD from WeSampleEverything.com. Thanks for watching. You know we're going to stay on top of all the new updates and tips and tricks for you guys. So today I'm going to show you the new Akai update with the iPad briefly. We're going to be dropping tons of these videos, and Cheez Da Producer, aka Beatmakers the Squad, is going to be showing you some on his channel as well. I'm going to leave his link in the description, so make sure you subscribe to his channel, hit the notifications. He's going to be dropping some dope videos showing you how you can incorporate your mixer, specifically the Tascam. And make sure you check out all the fellas' pages. The links will be below. All right, let's get right into it. So I've been playing with this update all night. Akai dropped a ton of things in this update. And the first thing I wanted to try was hooking this up with the iPad to see if you can either use this as a controller. So I'm going to power up the MPC. I got Beatmaker 3 open on the iPad. And you see there's no wires or anything, only the USB going into the iPad. So if you need to see videos on hubs, because all you need is a hub for the iPad so you can plug your USB devices in, I'll drop some links below on some good hubs. So I'm going to just open an empty project. Nothing on here right now. I'm going to open the settings in Beatmaker 3. And now I'm going to go, see, this is in standalone mode. Now I'm going to go into controller mode. And if you look at the iPad, everything will pop up. That's amazing. So now you go into your MIDI focus action, auto learn, and map this like you would map any other controller. I didn't even think this was going to work. But the fact that I tried it and it does, amazing. Because I have so many different little controllers for Beatmaker 3, specifically for Koala. And now that I could just use my live, and I'm going to show you something else that's amazing in a second too. Let me just, macro. All right, so that's good enough right there. And you can save this if you want, save template. So you can load it up if it doesn't load up. So now I'm on my bank. Now the sound from the iPad is coming through the live and going through the speaker, which is amazing because I find the speaker on the live is great. So that's dope. Now, that's incredible. Now you can use your MPCs, your standalone ones, X, Lives, as a controller for your iOS device. This is dope. And it's that simple to hook it up, people. So get to hooking up and playing. This is dope. Look out for a new contest dropping very soon. Thanks for watching. And we're going to have tons more of these videos dropping to show you what you can do. Peace.